Hello, Namaste, Adab, Sat Sri Akal. This is As Muhammad Khan and I again welcome you with very interesting topic student. And what is it? It is indicators. Yes, indicators. Indicator means the materials that we use to know the nature of chemical substances. There are the two type of indicators from which we can know the nature of the chemical substance. Like the first indicator is natural indicator. Natural indicator. Second is synthetic indicators. Synthetic indicators. Natural indicators are obtained from the nature. Synthetic indicators are prepared in the laboratories. Now, what is the use of the indicators? With the help of the indicators, we can know the nature, means the nature of the chemical substance. That what type of nature they have, acidic, basic or neutral. Means their nature we can know with the help of indicators. Now, indicators are categorized again into two types. Color indicators and olfactory indicators. Color indicators change their color in the presence of acid or base. And with the help of changing the color, we can know about the nature of the particular chemical substance. Like this, the olfactory indicators changes their smell. They change their smell or odor in the presence of acid or base. Now, we come on the types of the color indicators. The first color indicators is that we generally use in the laboratory is litmus paper. Litmus paper or solution. And second is turmeric. And in this there are also some flowers petals are used to know the nature of chemical substance. Now the litmus paper. There are the two type of litmus paper student. Blue litmus paper. Red litmus paper. With the help of the blue litmus paper, we can know the nature of acid, because this blue litmus paper is turned into red in the presence of acid. Next is red litmus paper. With the help of the red litmus paper, we know the nature of base. Because in the presence of base, red litmus paper turns into blue. So there are the two type of paper, blue litmus paper, red litmus paper. Like this, there are also two type of solution, blue litmus solution, red litmus solution. So with the help of that, we can know the nature of the particular substance, that it is acidic or basic. If both the litmus paper does not change their color, if they don't change their color, then we can say that the given material is neutral in nature, because the neutral substance or the material does not change the color of the litmus paper. Now we come on the turmeric. With the help of the turmeric, we can know the nature of basic substance, because in the presence of bases, the turmeric yellow color is turned into dark red color. So we can know the nature of the basic substance with the help of turmeric. Many times when some eatable items are put on your shirt, white shirt, and when you wash those spots with soap, then what happens, student? Then that yellow color of the turmeric that is found in the food item is changed into red. Why? It is due to the presence of base, because the soaps contain base in them. Now, olfactory indicators. Olfactory indicators are the indicators that changes their smell in the presence of acid or base. And there are mainly 3 olfactory indicators are mentioned in your NCERT book. What are they? They are clove, onion, vanilla. These are the olfactory indicators because they can change their color in the presence, their smell in the presence of acid or base. Now we come on the synthetic indicators. There are the 2 indicators, synthetic indicators are in your syllabus. First is methyl orange. Second is phenolphthalein. If we speak about the color of methyl orange, then its color is orange. But in the presence of acid, its color is changed from orange to red, student. But in the presence of base, its color changed from orange to yellow. So it is about the methyl orange. Next synthetic indicator that is in your syllabus is phenolphthalein. It is colorless, student, colorless. But in the presence of base, it changes its color from colorless to pink color, and with the help of that we can know the presence of the base. But in the presence of acid, it does not change its color, it remains colorless only. So these are the synthetic indicators that are in your syllabus. First is methyl orange, second is phenolphthalein, and it is about the indicator, student. Now I am sure that you have cleared this topic, and about these indicators you will also try to know more with the help of your school laboratory. Thank you very much and have a pleasant day.